Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to enable app notification in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to enable your app notification, so guys you can enable it. And guys, now let's see how to enable app notification in our Vivo phone. Guys, in this video guys I am going to show you guys. This app guys, you can see in your Vivo phone guys, you want to enable this app notification guys, all apps notification, so guys you can enable. And guys, now let's see how to enable app notification. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your app notification. Then guys scroll, as you can see your notification setting. So guys tap here, guys click on app setting and guys tap here most recent, and guys you can see your all apps. So guys tap here, then as you can see your all app list here. So which app guys you want to enable location, like share karo, like share karo, like this guys, photos notification you want to enable. So by right side guys tap here, so you can enable your app. Then it will like icon will blue, means guys your app notification will enable in your Vivo phone. So guys you can enable your app notification in your Vivo phone from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable app notification in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.